Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical robot skimmer, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Robot Skimmer, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best robot skimmer from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Betta SE Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Surface Skimmer. Check out the Betta SE Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Surface Skimmer, the ultimate hands-free solution for keeping your pool crystal clear. Powered 100% by solar energy, this high-tech skimmer operates continuously, removing leaves, dust, pollen, pet hair, and more. Its cutting-edge aquadynamics design ensures 30-plus hours of cleaning on a single charge, even on cloudy days. With patented twin salt-chlorine-tolerant SCT motors, it works efficiently in both freshwater and saltwater pools. The large, fine mesh debris basket makes cleaning effortless. Just dock, open, and empty. Built with a UV-resistant coating and smart ultrasonic radar, it navigates obstacles with ease. Plus, it recharges in just 5 to 6 hours under direct sunlight. Say goodbye to manual skimming and hello to a sparkling pool all year round. Number 2, got Aiper Surfer S1, solar-powered robotic pool skimmer. Meet the Aiper Surfer S1 solar-powered robotic pool skimmer, your ultimate hands-free solution for a cleaner pool. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, this smart skimmer efficiently removes leaves, flowers, and pet hair while ultrasonic sensors ensure complete surface coverage. Stay in control with the Aiper app, where you can monitor water temperature, battery levels, and cleaning progress in real time. Need a quick cleanup? Switch to manual mode and target specific areas effortlessly. Powered by dual charging, solar energy for eco-friendly cleaning, or a DC adapter for cloudy days, it keeps your pool pristine while reducing energy costs. Designed for easy maintenance, the top slide filter basket allows quick debris removal. Plus, with an anti-stuck design and UV-resistant materials, it's built to last through any weather. Enjoy hassle-free pool cleaning. Order yours today. Number 3. Beatbot iSkim Ultra Solar Powered Robotic Pool Skimmer. Introducing the Beatbot iSkim Ultra Solar Powered Robotic Pool Skimmer, the world's first intelligent pool skimmer with ultra cleaning performance. Featuring smart navigation, voice updates, and app control, this advanced skimmer delivers complete surface coverage and powerful debris removal. With tri-ultrasonic sensors and a 120 MCU, it scans and optimizes cleaning paths with precision. Dual-side rotating brushes and an extra-large roller brush ensure thorough debris collection, while the massive 9-liter filter basket reduces emptying frequency. Equipped with a 7-motor propulsion system, it provides precise edge cleaning and automatic water clarification using the Clear Water system, preventing scum buildup and water discoloration. 24/7 cleaning is powered by a 24-watt solar panel and a 10,000 milliamp-hour battery, keeping your pool pristine even at night. Automatic docking makes retrieval effortless. Built with UV-resistant materials and industry-leading durability, the iSkim Ultra redefines pool maintenance. Number 4. USECARA Solar Pool Skimmer Robot Cleaner. Keep your pool spotless with the USECARA Solar Pool Skimmer Robot Cleaner, the perfect hands-free cleaning solution. Featuring dual charging options, solar power, plus 2500 mAh adapter, this smart skimmer runs continuously in any weather. Its advanced ultrasonic radar detection and intelligent navigation ensure smooth movement, automatically avoiding obstacles and getting unstuck within 3 minutes. The large-capacity debris basket efficiently collects leaves, hair, and small debris, keeping your pool water crystal clear with minimal effort. Controlled via an easy-to-use app, you can monitor and manage cleaning remotely. Designed for various pool shapes, it adapts effortlessly for full coverage. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you can enjoy worry-free pool maintenance. Say goodbye to manual skimming and hello to effortless year-round pool cleanliness with USECARA. Number 5. Vidapool Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Skimmer Cleaner. Introducing the Vidapool Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Skimmer Cleaner, your 24/7 pool cleaning solution. Powered entirely by solar energy, this wireless automatic skimmer runs continuously, even on cloudy days, preventing debris from sinking to the bottom. With a one-click start, just place it in your pool, and it gets to work. No wires, hoses, or complicated setup. Advanced ultrasonic radar detection ensures smart obstacle avoidance, adjusting its path to clean efficiently. The oversized 10-liter debris basket captures leaves, pet hair, and floating debris, keeping your pool surface crystal clear. Need extra precision? Switch to manual mode using the included remote control for targeted cleaning. Say goodbye to manual skimming and let Vidapool do the work for you. Easy, efficient, and built to last. Order yours today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.